what happens after you get your admit letter. So this is one thing which most students will have to start their grounding work during the application stages itself. In the sense, January 15th would be your application deadline, that is fine. And February 1st or 2nd would be your documentations deadline. Post which you will be waiting up for the admission decisions from the Swedish universities. What I advise to my students is parallelly start talking to the bankers in terms of the loan process and other things, so that by the month of April first week or March last week, you will have your admission notifications done. Predominantly, universities will have the timeline for you to accept the offer by making the tuition fee payment within May 31st. So technically, if you get your admission notification by April, within 1.5 months, you will have to make the tuition fee deposit. And this tuition fee will be your first semester fee, which will range up at least around 5 to 7 lakhs. So now, if you're relying on your bank loan, if you start the loan process only by around April, then you might not be able to complete your process within the May 31st deadline. So understanding the financial documentations requirements plays a very important role. So between February, March and April, if you're ready with your financial documentations also, then you will be able to accept the offer on time. And by June and July, you will be processing your resident permit. And then once when you get your visa, you will be traveling to Sweden. So most of the time, a clear planning student are very safe in terms of the visa process and the travel to Sweden. But a person who starts the process very late in terms of the applications or with the shortlisting or with the scholarships or even with the financial plannings are getting stuck in between. So planning for the proper timeline makes a very important step for you to get into the Sweden without any hitches. The Sweden's application and admission journey, I have done an exhaustive video which is split into multiple parts. So please take your time in watching up the other segments too. And thanks for watching this particular video.